Hello everyone, I'm going to share you how to start using Jupyter Notebook. So the first thing you have to do is install Jupyter Notebook. You may have your virtual environment. So first thing you have to install Jupyter Notebook using command pip install Jupyter. So you get now Jupyter Notebook is ready for use. So we will start using it by typing Jupyter Notebook like this. Then it will bring in your default browser and you can start using Jupyter Notebook right now. So you navigate to your notebook files, or you can also create a new Python file as well. So in this case I will open my Jupyter Notebook here. In my notebook, the first thing I want to do is install Jupyter, which is we just did that. So the second thing, we learn how to execute the code in the cells of Jupyter Notebook. There are two main methods. The first one is execute without adding next cells. So you can do by Ctrl Enter and Shift Enter. If you want to execute the cells and also add one more cells, so press alternate Enter. So this one I will show you Ctrl or Shift Enter, and this one with alternate Enter. So you can see there is a new cells here. So in Jupyter Notebook there is a magic command. It's begin with this sign. You can read more from this link. This is an example of a magic command. This command will load the modules before execute your code. So next thing I want to share with you is we can see the function details using using this question mark sign or double question mark sign to see the source code. For example, the display is the built-in function in Jupyter Notebook, and we want to know the detail of this function. We use question mark and followed by the function name, so you can read the details of this function. If you want to see the source code, you use double question mark. Here is the result of double question mark, and then next thing you can do is you can run the shell command in Jupyter Notebook as well. For let's say my computer is Windows, so I can run dir like this. We put this sign before the command, and then we have access to the files. If you try ls, it will not work because I'm in Windows system. If we use start, it will open the current folders. In Jupyter Notebook, the main things that we use is provide interactive output. For example, you assign the string to these variables, and then you can use your shell to print it out, or you can use Python to print this variable out as well. This is examples. So this one is echo the variables. If you want to print it out by Python, you do like this. The next thing I want to share with you is you can create your custom module and import to Jupyter Notebooks. You just add the part that you have your custom modules to the part environment like this. So by this you can see that I have a custom module here. Okay, this is my custom module.py. So when you add this, you can import it to your notebook, and then you can start using it just like you run in py file. If you want to see the file, it is here. This is the content of the module that I import. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.